Turning off a main road to a side street in busy traffic can be very stressful. Following and observing other people's driving on the road is a good way of improving your driving skills. As you see here, this car is waiting patiently to turn right, and not trying to rush through, and waiting for the best opportunity. Don't worry if you are blocking someone behind you, as from time to time you also wait for other cars like this one now. However, if they wish they can go around, so, no stress. Finally, this car made a safe decision. After it has completed the turn within 2 to 3 seconds time, about 3 seconds later, the oncoming car has passed that intersection. So, about a 6 to 7 seconds gap is a safe gap. And not less than that. We will keep uploading multiple important short tips like this each week. Subscribe to our RDT 121 YouTube channel to learn all of them.